Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. What's the name of this car with a front opening door? A. 1955 Messerschmitt KR 200. B. 1957 BMW Isetta. C. 1956 Fiat 600 Multipla. D. 1958 Zundap Janus. Correct answer, the B. 1957 BMW Isetta. Fun fact, the Isetta is known for its unique front opening door, resembling a refrigerator door. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and drop a comment. If you don't, your car will start sputtering gas out of boredom. Your likes are like oil in the engine. Without them, you won't get very far. Question 2. What's the name of this 3-wheeled helicopter on wheels? A. 1956 Skoda car. B. 1959 Messerschmitt KR 200. C. 1958 Heinkel Cabini. D. 1957 Zundap Janus. Correct answer, B. 1959 Messerschmitt KR 200. Fun fact, this car was inspired by aviation design. Question 3. What's the name of this bubble on wheels? A. 1957 Vespa 400. B. 1958 Fiat 600 Multipla. C. 1956 Peel Trident. D. 1959 Heinkel Cabine. Correct answer, C. 1956 Peel Trident. Fun fact, the Peel Trident is one of the smallest 2-seater cars ever made. Question 4. Guess this bubble car. A. 1955 Fiat 500. B. 1958 BMW Isetta. C. 1957 Heinkel Cabine. D. 1959 Vespa 400. Correct answer, C. 1957 Heinkel Cabine. Fun fact, this compact micro car was nicknamed the Bubble Car. Question 5. What's the name of this mini minivan? A. 1956 Fiat 600 Multipla. B. 1958 Zundap Janus. C. 1957 Nash Metropolitan. D. 1959 Subaru 360. Correct answer, A. 1956 Fiat 600 Multipla. Fun fact, this car is one of the earliest precursors to modern minivans. Question 6. Guess this car with a smiling design. A. 1956 Renault Dauphine. B. 1959 Austin A35. C. 1955 Morris Minor. D. 1958 Goggomobil Dart. Correct answer, A. 1956 Renault Dauphine. Fun fact, the Dauphine was popular for its smile and stylish design. Question 7. Identify this French car with a bubble design. A. 1959 Panhardina Zeta. B. 1957 Renault 4CV. C. 1958 Citroën 2CV. D. 1956 Simca Aronde. Correct answer, A, 1959. Panhardina Z. Fun fact, the Dina Z stood out with its aerodynamic design and lightweight build. Question 8, what's the name of this toy-like car? A, 1957 Nash Metropolitan. B, 1959 Morris Mini Minor. C, 1958 Ford Anglia. D, 1956 Austin. A 30. Correct answer, A, 1957 Nash Metropolitan. Fun fact, the Nash Metropolitan looked like a toy car with its bright design. Question 9. What's the name of this three-wheeled car? A, 1953 Bonn Minicar. B, 1955 Heinkel Cabine. C, 1957 Isetta Velam. D, 1958 Peel Manx car. Correct answer, A, 1953 Bonn Minicar. Fun fact, the Bonn Minicar could be driven with a motorcycle license. Question 10, name this compact Italian car. A, 1957 Fiat 500. B, 1958 Vespa 400. C, 1959 Auto Bianchi Bianchina. D, component placement, 1956 Iso Isetta. Correct answer, B, 1958 Vespa 400. Fun fact, the Vespa 400 combined a compact design with impressive fuel efficiency. Results, 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.